Cinematic mode is one of feature that will guide user to capture all the details and movements that make someone look cinematic. Swipe over to cinematic mode. You can focus to the object and everything else around is blurry. That's cinematic mode at work. Then you can use zoom to see what details do you look for when you shoot. Cinematic mode works best when there's some more distance between the background and the subject. Just tap on the object face to activate autofocus tracking lock. It will keep your object totally focused. Shifting the focus. Just tap the object to start the shifting focus, then tap the other object to make the other shifting focus. Or, you can also have your subject move into frame to activate focus tracking.